Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I decided to create this look for you guys using some new products and kind of just bring you guys some content to my channel since it's been a while. So if you guys are new, my name is Amber and welcome. If you guys don't follow me already on social media, definitely go ahead. All the links will be in the description box below, and let's just jump right into the video. So I'm first going to start off with the Saint-Tropez Everyday Illuminating Face Cream. I love using this at nighttime, especially when I am self-tanning. Sometimes I don't like to put too much of the mousse on my face, so I will go in with about a dime size worth of product and massage it into the skin. So next, going in with my KKW Mario palette, I'm going to go in and start creating off my eye look. First going to go in with Miami. Now, since I already did do my brows, I did carve out the brows with some foundation and I already put a base down on the lid, so that is already set. And keep in mind, I'm holding the brush towards the end because it's giving me a better range of motion when applying shadows, because sometimes when you're up close like this, you know, your wrist doesn't really move. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Albanian, which I believe I'm reading the back of the palette right, but I'm going to go in with this and start to apply that shadow all over the lid and up to the crease. Taking the blending brush that we used for the first shadow, I'm just going to go back in with zero product and go ahead and blend that lid color up to the crease. After I do my foundation and concealer, I will eventually go in and smoke out the under eye, but just for right now, I don't want to waste product under there when I'm going to be covering it up anyway. Next, going in with the new Milk Makeup Mascara in Kush is like my holy grail mascara. I like applying mascara prior to doing lashes because I kind of feel like it creates a little wall of some sort, like a barrier, so when you do put false lashes on, the lashes are a little bit more secure. And I always curl the lashes too, which I did before the video, but it also helps blend the, your natural lashes into the false lashes. For lashes, I'm going to go in with my Sweetheart lashes in Jewels. I do have a discount code AMBER for money off. These are one of my ultimate favorite lashes ever, lash brand. Next, I'm just going to go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Honey Do Me Up. It's so cooling to the skin. See, it's literally like honey, but very cooling. So I've been using this and I've been loving the dewiness and the glow that's been giving my skin, along with using that Saint-Tropez Face Illuminator. So I wasn't recording, but now I am. So I just went in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. One full pump on the back of the hand. And I already have some on, but what I did was I just took a flat foundation brush from Real Techniques and I'm kind of just distributing that product over the face. And then what I did was I went in with my Real Techniques sponge and pressing that all into the skin. So next, I'm going to go in with the KKW concealer in shade number 6. And I'm not just jumping on the bandwagon or anything like that, but it is a concealer that I do actually really like. It looks small, but the amount of product that you get with just, you know, taking it out of the applicator and using all that product blows my mind. Next, going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, I'm going to go in and set those areas. So next for bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion, and this is in 30M. I think I got the wrong one because I ran out of my Pro Sculpting Duo, and I feel like other shade, I forget the number of it, was the one that was actually in that compact duo with the highlighter and the bronzer. But I believe the lady she was more than certain about this being the one in that Pro Sculpting Duo. But no, I think she's wrong. What I like to do is just take that Real Techniques sponge and press on the sides of the nose. And then taking this Elena Badro contour blush brush, I'm gonna go in with that bronzer. Next, from the Balm Cosmetics, I'm gonna go in with Frat Boy, and it's just this nice subtle pink blush. So next I'm going to go back in with this palette and do the same shadows that I did on the top. So I'm first going to start off that first shadow that I did. And then going back in with this shade. So next I'm going to go in with Armenian, which is this gold shadow right here. I'm going to apply that right into the inner corners of the eye. And I'm actually going to go ahead and just highlight the brow bone area. And then just to add a little bit more dimension into the inner corner, I'm going to go in with the Heavy Metal glitter from Urban Decay in Midnight Cowboy. But I'm more so just targeting the center point of all of that. So next for lips, I'm going to go in with the Liquid Matte Mini Set. So I'm going to be taking the All Natural Nudes and then the Power Pinks. Icon from the Power Pinks and Bikini Babe from All Natural Nudes. So then I'm going to go in with Bikini Babe and just place that in the center of the lip. Just to finish off, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. Just going to take my Marc Jacobs setting mist. I go back in with my Kush mascara like I said I would and do the bottom lashes. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys truly enjoyed today's content and today's look. I had a great time filming this for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed all the products and little tips that I gave throughout the video. If you guys haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.